Hey guys, this is Eve with Scrapbooking with me, and we're going to make a cute little jewelry box today. And this has been done out there on YouTube all over the place, but we're going to make our version of it. So you're going to need 3 pieces of cardstock that are cut at 6 by 6. And you're going to put it in your scoreboard, and you're going to score at 1 inch and at 2 inches all the way around. So just turn it 1 and 2. Okay, so you got that. I'm going to lay that aside for a minute. Then you're going to need 1 piece that is cut at 5 5/8 by 6 7/8. And on the 5 5/8 side, we're going to score at 2 1/4 and at 3 1/4. So we can lay this piece aside as well. We're going to go back to this one. Now I have already made 2 of my drawers. This is going to be your drawers, and I've already made 2 of those just so that this video wouldn't be so long, because they're made exactly the same. Now, as you can see, there's 4 little boxes in each corner. You're going to cut up on that line, that score line. You're going to cut up on that score line. And then this outer piece is going to be cut off, just like we do a lot of our reinforced boxes. And then this piece is going to be cut off. So you're just going to leave that piece right there. You're going to wedge it. So just take a little wedge out of it. And then you need to take a wedge off of this and off of this. Okay, so do that on the other side just the same. And then make sure that you wedge that piece and that one, and then turn it all the way to the opposite side, and you're going to do the same thing here. Okay, you should have something that looks like that. So I'll hold that there a minute so that you can see. These are wedged and these are wedged. I'm actually going to, I don't think I wedged that one enough. I'm going to wedge that one a little bit more. These are going to fold down in there on the inside of the box, so you need to wedge them pretty good. Let's wedge this one a little more. Okay. Alright, and then you can go ahead and fold and burnish. Okay, and now we're going to put glue on these 4 little tabs. And then you're just going to bring it up and put it together just like that. Just make sure that your corners meet really well. Okay, then once you've got your corners put together, then we're going to put glue on these little tabs that are sticking up here. And these are going to fold to the inside. It just makes it a little bit stronger box. Same as we've done lots of times before. And then I just use my bone folder and press it down like that. There we go. There was something that I forgot to do before I put my box together, and that's put this little piece down in the bottom. It's easier to put it on before you put it together, but we should still be able to get it down in there. There we go. Now this piece that goes in the bottom here is cut at 1 7/8 by 1 7/8, and you'll need 3 of those for your 3 boxes. Now on the front of my box I just put a piece of bling. Let's see if I've got one more like that. Yeah, this one right here, just to make it look like a little drawer. And if you have directional paper, just make sure that it's pointing in the right direction. So there are 3 little boxes. It's going to go in there. And we're going to set those aside. And now we're going to bring in this piece that we scored. Going to go ahead and fold it and burnish. Now before we put the boxes in here or anything, we're going to go ahead and put some reinforcements in here. This is going to go right up here, and it's just going to make the box stronger. This piece, this bottom piece, is cut at 2 by 6 1/2, and that's this piece right here. And then the top piece of the design paper is cut at 1 7/8 by 6 3/8. So we're going to put that right there, just like that. And then I have another one cut to go on the bottom down here. Okay, now we're going to put a piece up here, and I've already got it matted, but before we do that, I want to put a little piece of ribbon on here, just to close it up. I'm just going to use a piece of score tape to put this down. Then we're going to put one on the bottom. And I've just got a different color paper to put on the bottom. This is just to hide that ribbon. It's the same, from the same paper company, but it's from the same paper line, but it's just a different design. And that just kind of hides where you attach the ribbon. Now you can cover this part right here if you want to. I'm not going to do it on this one, but you certainly can if you're afraid that it might not be strong enough. So we're going to sit our boxes in just like this. You're going to leave a little bit of room at the end, and then you're going to put them right up against that score line in the back, and there needs to be room between each box. So they're going to go in just like that. So go ahead and put our art glitter glue on the bottom, and we do have a new supply of this art glitter glue in. We can ship anywhere where it's not still freezing. If you live up north, we're not going to be able to ship to you right yet. But in the south or southwest, we can ship to you. Okay, so that looks good right there. Then we'll put one on the other end. Okay, and then we'll put this one right in the center. So there we go. We have that closed up with a cute little bow with this ribbon. I'm going to go ahead and angle the ends of this. And then I'm going to decorate the top up just a little bit. And I have, this paper is the paper that we used in Texas at the my May Made It convention. This is the Kaiser Craft Fairy Garden collection. And if you want any of this paper, let me know in the comments below. I have a ton of this that I've already taken out of the paper pads. And this is 6.5 by 6.5. And if you want some, I will list it on the website and you can go over and pick it up. This is what we have left. So just let me know in the comments below. Let's see what we'll put on here. I think I'm going to cut this little doily in half and use half of that. This is from the ephemera pack. And then I'm going to cut these little butterflies apart. I think we use those. I'm going to put this little sign up on some pop dots. And then I have some flowers that we're going to put on there. Just going to cut these stems off. These are the Tim Holtz shears. They cut through things like that very, very easy. So we're going to put that on there. I'm using my hot glue for this just because it sticks a lot faster. And y'all know how impatient I am. Whoops. Stuck that one to the wrong place, didn't I? Okay, and then we're just going to put little butterflies right there. I think I may put that right in the center right there. I like that. And then let's do one last butterfly. Then of course we have to do some stickles. Okay, we have stickles all over everything. Let's see if you can see the glitter. Look at the glitter on those butterflies. Isn't that pretty? And that is our diamond stickles, and this is out. So go over and grab some before I use it all. I'm about to open up another bottle. And then I'm going to take those little wires that I cut off from the flowers, and I'm going to twist them around my paintbrush and make a little twisty vine like that. And then I'm just going to put a little hot glue on the end, and I'm going to stick them right up under there. Whoops. Try not to burn myself like I just did. There we go. Let's do one more. And put it up under there. Let's put it over here. to the side. And there we go. A beautiful box.